Hello everyone. Are you ready for another fabulous Friday idea? I thought I would play with the sweet songbirds today. I borrowed this from a friend and I have not had a chance to play, and I really wanted to play with this. I don't know about you, but I'm ready for spring and the birds and everything else. So that's my set for today. All right. For my card, I will need Memento Black ink, Cajun Craze ink, pecan pie, and pumpkin pie. I need a black marker. My card kit is a card base of white, a piece of bubble bath, a piece of white, a piece of the Delightfully Eclectic DSP, which is this one, a scrap of white. I'm going to use some of the Neutrals adhesive back sequins. I'm going to put one of these on there. Just depends on which one looks good. And I'm using the Retired Punch for my sentiment. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my branch and my pecan, whatever you say, and I'm going to ink up my branch. All right. And I'm going to stamp this down here. Oops, I'm going to flip it around. All right, like so. All right, then I'm going to take my bird, and I didn't want to do a pink bird, and this color is actually Cajun Craze. So I'm going to make a Cajun Craze bird. This is not a color I usually use. So there's that. Oh, I forgot. I need another stamp. I need the wing. So let me stamp this. Ooh, hang on. That does not look good. I don't know if it's my pad or what. Give me a minute. I'm going to clean this off real good, and then I'm going to use my stamp conditioner on it and see if that helps. It's actually a stamp eraser. It takes off any residue. So let's see if that works, and we'll try it again. All right. Oh, much better. I probably should have off-stamped it. Yep, it's too dark. Oh well, I'll pull in another scrap and stamp it again. Little bit better. A little bit. All right, now I need the beak. And the beak is going to be stamped in pumpkin pie. So I'm going to stamp it here. Well, that one looks so close to the, you know what? I think I'm going to change it. Hang on a minute. All right, I'm going to stamp the beak in crushed curry, because that one will give it some contrast. Yeah, that looks a little better. All right, now I need the wing, so I've got to pull it out. I forgot the wing, so let me do the wing. And I think I'll do the wing in the dark. We'll find out. And I had that one if I don't like this light one. Okay, there's that. All right, we need to give our little guy some eyes. So this is where my memento comes in. And I'm going to stamp his eyes right there. And I'm going to stamp it on this one just in case I decide I need this one instead. So he has them. All right, so there's his eyes. And then I need my sentiment. And I'm not going to use, I chose a little note of thanks, but I'm only going to use a little note. So I'm going to take my marker and ink up just a little note. All right, and I'm going to stamp it right there. Great. All right, I think I have everything. Now I've got to do some cutting. So I'm going to speed this up as I cut these out. Okay, I have everything cut out except for the sentiment, and I wanted to show you how to do the sentiment. This is a lot longer than my sentiment, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to put it close to the end and center it like so. All right. Then I'm going to reinsert it, and you get it in between the two cutting areas, and push this down until I get it where I want it, and punch it, and then I have a smaller version of my sentiment. I cut out both birds because I didn't know which one I would use. So I figured I would be safe and go that way. All right, let's see. Now I need this piece has to go on here. Okay. All right. This piece goes on my card base. And I'm going to be using a bunch of ends from my dimensionals for the, all right. It's got a little bit more space at the bottom for this one. All right, I'm going to put this on with dimensionals. So I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to close this up. And I'm going to grab some dimensionals. I have a bunch of pieces here that I'll take and cut apart. I just have to make sure that they're all, that there's no paper pumpkin ones in here because they're a little bit different in size. They're thicker. They're thicker. All right. So I'll use up some of my dimensionals that are sitting here. I still have more over here. These are the ends from when I cut them all apart. Right. There's that one. Let me see what else I have I can find. Oh, here's a couple more. Same end. So same shape, basically. All right, there's that one. And there's that. I think I'm just going to cut this one, And I'll put it in the center. There. And there. All right, now it's time to take all my backs off. Let's see. All right. Two left. Then I just need to look at it and make sure that the flowers are going the right way. And the leaves. Let me see. This way. I looked at the stripes. All right. So there's that. This one is going to go down here, and it's going to go on with dimensionals. And this time I'm going to use a strip from the bottom. So it'll go all the way across. Like so. All right. It's kind of cute, a little note. All right. There's, oh, I need to get this on. And I'm going to put it on like this. And I'm going to put this on with glue. And then I'll decide about the bird. Where's my tweezers to hold this? All right. Now, when I put this down, I made sure this edge was even with the pieces underneath so that it would look right. And I'm going to put a block on top as I get the rest of this straight. All right, now I have to decide. Do I want this guy? He kind of blends in. I think I want the darker one. I thought it was too dark, but he really stands out. He's gonna go on with dimensionals. Running out of dimensionals. I gotta go get another package. Actually, I can use that one on the tail. There. So I didn't have to worry about it. Take the back off. Those are hard to get off when they're skinny like that. So I usually take them off with my finger. All right, let's get this little guy on there. All right, and he's gonna sit right on that branch like so. All right, this I'm gonna put on with glue. Okay, I did not, or my friend did not get the punch, so she said it was a simple enough shape that you could cut out, which it is. All right, and then I need his little wing, which I'm going to put on with glue also. Oh, I'm surprised I could do that. I'm right-handed. Okay, and let's put his little wing. Ooh, that's not going to work. I got to cut it down some. All right, hold on. Oh, not too bad. Let's see. There. All right. And there's our little note card for today. And don't forget to use the image to stamp the inside of your card and envelope. I did stamp the wing on there, but it's so dark you can't see it. I hope you were inspired by today's card and you'll give it a try. Great layout, can be used for any image that you have. Make sure you click the button below to subscribe. If you haven't already, sign up for my newsletter. Don't miss my ideas. Oh, I've totally forgot. I'm looking at them. Never mind. We're going to add our gems right now. Let's see. I think I'm going to use these. These are bronze, but I think they look very nice with the pecan. All right. Can't believe I almost forgot those. All right, so now, don't forget, if you haven't, subscribe to my newsletter so you don't miss my ideas. I send out a tutorial every week. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a fabulous weekend. Bye.